Okay, so when I'm in here, I go to Zoom. It's already on Zoom and I'm already logged in. So I go to my account. Over here, you can see your profile and like your meeting ID or whatever that you have going on. I just go to meetings, and then this is the recurring meeting that I already have set up, so I can use the same link every time with my class. And I know it's called Fish Class Meetup. And when I'm ready to go on there tonight at 6, I'll just hit start and it'll start the meeting. But right now I want to schedule a new meeting with you guys, so it's just going to be called Us and K-Peeps team. And then it's today, and hold on, I gotta slide this down some. Alright, so I guess the soonest, I could have done it at 1:30, but it's already past that. So we'll do 2, but we can still meet up before that. We're gonna make it be 1 hour. Don't change this time right here. We can make this a recurring meeting also. And we're going to, like I said, we'll make it, I don't know, we'll just not make it a recurring meeting. We're going to generate that automatically. Do not have a required meeting password. For video, you want the host video on and you want the participant video on. Then you want to make sure that both is on here. You can click this. I've done this for my kids because they can start talking to each other before I get on. And it says enable join before host, so they're not sitting there waiting on you to get on. Then you can pick whatever of this stuff you want. I didn't do any of that. I don't have them muted upon entry, which might have been a good idea. The only thing I'm not sure about, because I've only done this one other time, is to have this meeting as a recurring meeting, because my other one says recurring meeting, but I don't have it picked. I'll just pick no fixed time. I'll just go back and do that. So then this will be one for us, and we can get on it whenever we want to. It just can't run at the exact same time as my other meeting at 6 o'clock. So, and I got to go back and fix all these, so make sure you turn these back on if you change anything. And I don't want to have a password, so I want to make sure that everything is right. No password, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now I'm going to save this. Then when you go here, you have this copy the invitation. Now this one is short. If you set one up for every day, it's going to give you this really long invitation that's got all the dates and times in it. But since I just set this up with no fixed time, I can just copy it like this for you guys. And then you'll go to your email and do a new message. And I'm just going to put Teacher Peeps and then Zoom, because this is also going to make it easier for your parents too. You're going to Control V and paste it in there. Now, if you look down here on your email, you see this insert hyperlink thing right here. Highlight this hyperlink, wherever the hyperlink is in the invitation or the web address, right? Oh, you got to copy it, sorry. Copy. Then go back to this thing and a box will pop up. You're going to display it like that, and then you're just going to paste the link in there, hit OK, and then it will turn it blue. So then your parent should be able to just click on it. And you can type whatever you want around here. I will forward you the email that I sent out for my parents today, just so you'll know. Alright, so I'm sending this out now, and I'm going to pause this video, and then I will save it and send it